everybody. We miss you. Can't wait to see you again. I have a book that I want to read to you today called Rain, Rain, Go Away. What do we call this part of the book? The front cover. And this is the spine. And here we have the back cover. Very good. Rain, rain, go away. Does anybody remember what we call this page? The title page. Very good. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little froggy wants to play. Drip, drop, plip, plop, play leapfrog with the raindrop. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little froggy wants to play. Dragonfly just flew by, stop and hop with raindrops. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little froggy wants to play. Drip, drop, plip, plop. The end. I hope you enjoyed the book. I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe, and we can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.